Welcome to Simple Surge. What if I told you that the standard 8-hour sleep rule is just a suggestion? What if you could reclaim 4 extra hours every single day and actually feel better? Today, we are breaking down the science of high-performance sleep. If you're ready to 10x your productivity, hit that like button, share this with a night owl, and comment "Surge" below. To master sleep, you must master adenosine. It's the chemical that builds up in your brain all day, creating sleep pressure. The faster you clear it, the less you need to sleep. We sleep in 90-minute cycles. Waking up at the end of a cycle makes you feel like a god. Waking up in the middle makes you feel like a zombie. We're aiming for exactly 5 cycles. Most people are monophasic, one big sleep block, but the world's most productive minds often go polyphasic, breaking sleep into strategic bursts throughout the 24-hour day. The Uberman cycle is the holy grail. 6 20-minute naps spaced evenly. It's brutal to start, but it forces your brain to skip light sleep and drop straight into REM. Once you adapt, you spend 0 time in junk sleep. Every minute of your 2 hours total is high-density recovery. It's the ultimate time hack for the obsessed. If Uberman is too extreme, meet the everyman cycle, 1 core 3-hour block at night and 3 20-minute naps during the day. This is the most sustainable high-performance schedule. You get the social benefits of being awake when others are, while still banking 20 extra hours a week. Think about what you could build with 80 extra hours a month. But scheduling is only half the battle. Your environment must be optimized. First, total darkness. Even a tiny LED on your charger can disrupt your pineal gland. Temperature is the trigger. Your core body temp must drop to initiate deep sleep. Set your room to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold is the catalyst for recovery. Blue light at night is a chemical signal to your brain that it's noon. It halts melatonin production instantly. Wear amber glasses or kill the screens 2 hours before your core block. Caffeine has a 6-hour half-life. That noon, coffee is still blockading your adenosine receptors at midnight. For the 4-hour hack, caffeine must be timed with surgical precision. Chemical assistance, magnesium glycinate. It lowers cortisol and relaxes the central nervous system, helping you drop into stage 3 sleep faster than ever before. Pair it with L-theanine. It creates alpha brain waves, the state of wakeful relaxation. This ensures your short sleep is pure quality, not just duration. The 20-minute power nap isn't for rest. It's for a cognitive reboot. It clears mental clutter without letting you fall into deep sleep inertia. Set a loud alarm. Try the Napa Latte. Drink a quick espresso, then nap for 20 minutes. The caffeine hits exactly as you wake up. It's a double shot of alertness that lasts for hours. You can't manage what you don't measure. Use a wearable to track your REM and deep sleep stages. If your quality is high, the quantity matters less. White noise or pink noise masks environmental sounds that would otherwise trigger your threat detection system, keeping you in the recovery zone longer. The mind is powerful. Science shows that if you believe you slept well, your cognitive performance actually improves. Tell yourself you are fully rested every morning. This psychological edge is what separates the elite from the average. You aren't deprived, you are optimized. Own the extra hours. Use them for your surge. Days 1 through 3 are the wall. Your brain will scream for more sleep. This is just your biological clock recalibrating. Do not give in. By day 4, the fog starts to lift. Your body begins to prioritize REM sleep earlier in your core block. You are now training your brain to sleep with maximum efficiency. Day 10 and beyond, this is the new normal. You wake up before your alarm. Your energy levels are stable. You have officially hacked your biology. Welcome to the 4-hour club. Hydration is your fuel. Dehydration mimics fatigue. Drink 16 ounces of water with sea salt immediately upon waking to kickstart your adrenal system. Get 10 minutes of direct sunlight in your eyes within 30 minutes of waking. This sets your circadian clock and ensures you'll be ready to sleep 16 hours later. Eat your largest meal during the day, not before your core sleep. Digestion is an energy-intensive process that ruins sleep quality. Fuel for the day, not the night. The hardest part isn't the sleep. It's the social pressure. You'll need to explain your schedule to friends, but the results will speak for themselves. Productivity is the new cool. Safety first. If you feel micro-sleeps while driving or working, stop immediately. Polyphasic sleep is a tool, not a suicide mission. Listen to your body's limits. Consult a professional if you have underlying conditions. We are looking for peak performance, not long-term damage. Monitor your heart rate and mood daily. Historical legends like Tesla and Da Vinci allegedly mastered these cycles. They traded the comfort of the pillow for the glory of creation. You can too. At Simple Surge, we believe in radical optimization. You have one life. Don't sleep half of it away. Take control, master your biology, and join the surge. If this science-backed guide changed your perspective, let us know in the comments. We read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe for more high-performance hacks. Like this video to help the algorithm find other seekers of the surge. Share it with your most ambitious friend. Let's build a community of 4-hour heroes together. This is Simple Surge. Stay sharp, stay focused, and we'll see you, well, much earlier than everyone else. Goodbye for now.